Go. Wow, that's pretty cool. Keep going. Wow. Sweet. That is some pretty talented yo-yoing. Trevor, what are some of those tricks called?
The one that goes around the world.
And he can still do it all even though he has braces. Fantastic, Trevor. Thank you.